Protects your four-stroke engine from damaging contaminants. Keeps your engine oil cleaner longer. Produced to meet Mercury Marine original equipment manufacturer specifications to best protect your engine. Easy installation screw-on style canister. For mineral-based or synthetic Quicksilver four-stroke oil. Previously known as 8M0162830. Unparalleled oil filtering protection for your Mercury or Mariner four-stroke outboard engine. Fits Mercury and Mariner 25 horsepower four-stroke carbureted engines, model year 2006 and prior. Fits Mercury and Mariner 30 horsepower, 3-cylinder four-stroke engines, model year 2005 and prior. Fits all Mercury and Mariner 40 to 60 horsepower four-stroke outboards, model year 1998 and newer. Fits all Mercury and Mariner 75 to 115 horsepower four-stroke outboards, USA serial number 1B366822 prior. Fits all Mercury and Mariner 75 to 115 horsepower four-stroke outboards, USA serial number 2B094996 and above. The Quicksilver brand is the leader in delivering uncompromising engine oils, parts and accessories to the marine industry for over 65 years. Quicksilver is the premier supplier of Mercury Marine original equipment replacement engine parts, oils and accessories, but also works to serve all original equipment brands in the marine and powersports industries. It has earned a loyal following by providing the highest quality products that are tested through some of the most rigorous environments and testing procedures. No aftermarket company comes close to the level of research and design as Quicksilver. Buying Quicksilver is buying performance, protection and peace of mind. Top reviews from the United States. This oil filter works great on older Mercury 115 HP engines. Worked great. This filter is for older 2006 and prior years 115 HP engines. Be sure to check the serial number for the proper filter if you have a 2006